Hello guys, you must have seen this word demographic dividend in your newspaper. As per the definition of United Nations Population Fund, demographic dividend is the economic growth potential that can result from shifts in a population age structure, mainly when the share of the working age population is larger than the non-working age share of the population. According to you, what is the working age? In which year to which year it is known as the working age population? If you know the answer, please do comment. If government invests in education, health and skill development, the benefits of demographic dividend can be reflected in increased labor force, inclusive growth, rise in women's workforce, better economic growth. India is in a sweet spot and must employ a holistic approach to create a talent pool so as to harness its demographic dividend for the benefits of the world at large. Thank you.